We have created new domain by Laragon. This is the Laragon new latest application. Check the version 8.6.1. So after creating the version before this, there is failed to DNS issue is showing now. But when you're checking, application is here located, but this failed to find it. So how to solve this? Here you can solve this over here and Windows system32 driver etc host open with here and put this and copy our this IP and paste here. It is admin. Now it's saved. So come here, reload. If not loaded, just stop the server. After stop, you have to just restart this server. Start one. So now let's test the DNS problem has been solved. So you have to wait. Now run this application. So I am saving this to same password as this is a local application. Done. So now done. So you have to edit this host and put the domain, new root domain, and put the IP, so it will solve this. So thank you.